Well, good morning and welcome back to the Great Plains Scrapper Flipper Reseller channel. It's only been 7 years since my last upload. I want to apologize for that. A lot been going on, but wanted to touch base on a few things. I wanted to kind of get back in the swing of things. I've been doing this for 20 years now. I think I've got some things to offer, some insights to give, and I thought I'd just start back with kind of a what sold yesterday video and what I'm putting together and getting ready to ship. So for the start, first thing that we sold yesterday was a copy of A Few Good Men VHS tape. A lot of you are probably thinking, everybody knows media mail minimum is $3.19. So you're probably thinking, why are you selling individual VHS tapes? And that would be a fair question. The number one reason is because I really like the fact that one of the things that drew me into this, not only just to earn a living, but I kind of enjoyed the fact that I can take something that isn't available everywhere and get it to somebody who needs it. So I'm not necessarily opposed to, probably making 25 cents on this, but I can better explain this way. If I can get to the right screen. There we go. Now, this actually, you'll have to excuse me, I'm a bit out of practice here. Here's an example. This was actually the day before yesterday. But what I do is I offer a nice multi-item discount, and I also ship for free on these particular items. So yesterday, and this is what I'm shooting for, is for people to buy multiples. And that's why I can sell at the prices that I sell at. So I happen to know that my average purchase price on slip sleeves is about 10 to 25 cents. My average purchase price on a clamshell is about a buck to $1.50. So this person paid $28.95. After discounts, they paid $22.18. Now, I know that, let me get this back in line here. I know that my $22.18 selling price had a total item cost for all 5 tapes of $3.20. My shipping cost was $4.65. That was not charged for. And in the item category, it's DVDs and movies. My eBay fee was $3.21. So my total profit on this deal was $11.12, which is a margin of 50%, which is actual percentage of net versus gross is well over 50%. So all I've got to do is somebody's just got to buy 2 of any of those items, as opposed to just 1, and that solves my problem. Because the first tape pays for the shipping, it pays the eBay fees, and it pays for my original expense. The second tape is pure profit, $4.95. Now, after eBay fee is $4.60. But third tape, pure profit. Fourth tape, pure profit. So that's why I enjoy doing that way. But enough on that. So next, another one, we had another VHS tape sell. Also, if you've got a good, if you have a good source, you should be able to pick up slip sleeve tapes in very good condition for 10 to 25 cents. Your clamshell tapes, Disney's, Pixar's, that kind of thing, you should be able to pick those up anywhere from about $1 or so. Now, my current pricing, these are older listings. My current pricing on my slip sleeve tapes is $5.25. My current pricing on my clamshell tapes is $6.50. Again, though, I offer a 30% buy more than one, 30% total discount and free shipping. But again, that first tape pays for everything. Every tape after that is pretty much just a pure profit situation. And we do sell a lot. Sadly, we also sell a lot of singles, which is why I had to increase the price a little bit. But also going out today, same situation. We sell a lot of paperback novels. My girlfriend / business partner used to run a flea market booth where she basically sold used paperback novels for $1. And she made a nice living doing that. Then there were some issues at the flea market where we were working, or she was working, and essentially had to kind of restructure her whole situation, which was unfortunate. But now we've got literally thousands of books that we can list. I probably have a couple of thousand of books listed now. I also, just for argument's sake, do not ever unlist anything. If you've got a flagship store, or what the heck do I have here? Let me see. Terminology. An anchor store. Flagship is a bit much, but I think if you have an anchor store, by the way, Anchor or Premium will pretty much let you list thousands and thousands and thousands of items. By the way, this website is ebayfeescalculator.com. ebayfeescalculator.com. If you were not aware that this existed, it's just flat out. Here's what you want to sell the item for. Here's what your item costs. Here's your shipping costs. Obviously, if the buyer's going to pay shipping, you just either leave those both zero or fill them in the same. Put your seller rating in, your store, what category you're running in, and it'll tell you exactly, what it's going to cost you, how much money you'll make, and the whole bit. So I wasn't sure if everybody was aware of that or not, but there that is. Again, books are a very similar situation to the VHS tapes. At this point in time, we have zero cost on the books. We've had so many of the books for so long. She had a trade-out situation, so she literally got back every book she ever sold, and she would give back a percentage, and then people would buy her other books. We have return customers all the time. With the shipping being as insane as it is, there's no way to do a trade-in. If anybody's got brilliant ideas about doing trade-ins, I would be more than happy to do that, because we do have a lot of return customers. But there's a lot of the resellers out there. They do shy away from books and tapes because it's just not worth it. And it's worth it to me because people out there, want the books. But you can't charge $10 for a used book. So you have to accept the fact that you're just not going to make a lot of money on them. And the hope is that someone who likes Don Passman will buy 3 or 4 of his books, and then I can ship them together, and then we actually do make a nice profit. By the way, I wanted to apologize. This persona non grata that I've got going on here, it's been a long, cold winter in these parts, and I have got a pretty big head of hair and a beard hanging down to my chest and a bad webcam, and I need to get a shave and a haircut and a better webcam, and then I will start dealing with you face to face. So things can be a little more personal. All right, we also sold some Lucky Brand men's jeans. They sold for $12 plus $8.45 shipping. We have a honey hole, or actually a couple of honey holes around here. We pick most of our jeans up for, $1 to $5. So we kind of melt all the jean pricing together and then come up with an average of what we can charge. I would like to get more for these jeans. In these pictures, they're in great condition. I mean, that's why I go ahead and put very good condition, no obvious flaws or defects. This one had a little bit of a few strings hanging off the hems, so I put that in there and put that in there for them to take a look at the picture. But some of the stuff that I pick up jean-wise is just, they're almost perfect. I mean, it's just crazy. I have lost my, there we go, it's back. Okay. Then also, these Amazing Taste spices. We picked up a whole slew of this stuff for 50 cents a bottle. And I've been selling the heck out of them for $20, $24. They just expired. Their freshness date was March of 2020. I had a customer call me on it. I didn't even realize it. I did apologize to him, asked her if she would like to purchase any of them for $15. She said that would be fair enough because they weren't very far out of date. I marked down all the rest of them to $15, and hopefully I can get the rest of them out of here before they get much older. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just the freshness date. But these things weigh almost 2 pounds. So I ship them in either a flat rate padded envelope or a regional box A. When we were selling for $20, $24, we were making some really nice money. What I'm trying to do now on the $15, between the shipping, the eBay fees, and my original expense is basically just trying to get my money back and get the product out of here without it costing me any money. And then finally, again, this is kind of what I was talking about. This is these jeans literally look unworn. And if you're wondering why they sold for so cheap, the reason is because I sell men's jeans like crazy. But women's jeans, I can't hardly get them to move. So on the women's jeans, I generally tend to have a lower price point to get them a little attractive. So I don't want to make this thing run too long. So I will give you a quick idea of what I want to do here. Like I said, I've been doing this for a long time. I'm no Rally Roots, but those kids are just amazing. But I just started doing this I've been doing this again, like I said, for 20 years, but just started doing it to literally really try to earn my living this way. And I just thought maybe it would be fun to share some of it. I also would be interested in getting some whatnot auctions going. I think that's really interesting. And I know that they have a soft spot for content creators, so I thought maybe that might help me a little bit too. But I haven't touched this channel in 7 years, and I still have 11 subscribers. That's some stick-to-itiveness, guys. So just a quick look at my warehouses, a.k.a. also known as bedrooms, that have nothing but inventory in them. And we do have a wide selection of merchandise. And I just wanted to thank you guys, for all 11 of you, for hanging in there. Hey, if you do like this, if you think that this channel has anything to offer to you, please do like, please do subscribe. If you know somebody that you think would enjoy this channel, please feel free to share it with them. And thank you so much, and I will try to get back on this on a regular basis with some haul videos and some more sold videos. And have a good day.